Imagine waking up one morning, opening your laptop, and realizing that an AI agent is already doing your work better, faster, and cheaper than you. Sounds scary, right? But this is exactly the kind of future many people are talking about today. Artificial intelligence is moving so fast that it's raising a big questions in everyone's mind. Will AI agents replace our jobs? Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to explore one of the most important and controversial questions of our time. AI is no longer science fiction. It's already here in our offices, in our schools, and even in our homes. From writing emails, generating code, creating designs, and analyzing data, and even making business decisions. AI agents are showing skills that were once thought to be uniquely human. So the fear is real. Will they actually take over our jobs completely? Is there another side to the story? First, let's break down what AI agents really are. An AI agent is basically a system that can observe, learn, make decisions, and take action to achieve goals, just like a human worker. The difference is they don't need sleep, they don't get tired, and they can handle massive amounts of information instantly. For example, customer service AI agents can respond to thousands of people at once, something no human team can do at same speed or cost. So, why do people feel threatened? The main reason is efficiency. Companies are always looking for ways to save money and increase productivity. If an AI can do a task in seconds, a fraction of the cost, why would a business hire a human for the same work? We are already seeing this in industries like call centers, data entry, graphic design, content writing, and even software development. But here is something important. This fear is not new. Every major technological revolution in history, from the inventions of machines during the Industrial Revolution to the rise of computers and the internet, created the same panic. People thought machines would wipe out jobs forever. And yes, many jobs will disappear. But at the same time, new industries and new opportunities were created. For example, when ATMs were introduced, people thought bank jobs would vanish. Instead, banks hired even more people to focus on customer service and new products. The truth is, AI agents are more likely to replace tasks rather than entire jobs. Most jobs are made up of many small tasks. AI can handle repetitive, boring, and data-heavy tasks. But when it comes to creativity, strategy, emotional intelligence, and decision making in complex human situations, humans still have the upper hand. For example, an AI can analyze medical scans, but a doctor is needed to interpret results, talk to patients, and make ethical decisions about treatment. Of course, not all jobs are equally safe. Jobs that are repetitive, predictable, and rule-based are at the higher risk. This includes data entry, telemarketing, routine accounting, basic translation, and even some parts of software coding. These roles can be easily automated because they don't require deep human judgment. On the other hand, jobs that require creativity, empathy, leadership, and complex problem solving are much harder to replace. Think of teachers, entrepreneurs, designers, psychologists, doctors, managers, and innovators. These roles demand human connection and out of the box thinking. In fact, AI might make these jobs even more powerful by handling the background work, giving humans more time to focus on big picture ideas. So, what does this mean for all of us? It means the future of work will not be about competing with AI, but about collaborating with it. Instead of fearing AI agents, we need to learn how to use them as a tools. For example, a marketer who uses AI for analytics and campaign optimization will be far more valuable than someone who refuses to adapt these tools. The demand for skills like critical thinking, problem solving, emotional intelligence, creativity, and AI literacy will skyrocket. Let's not forget, AI itself is creating entirely new industries. Jobs like AI trainers, prompt engineers, data ethicists, AI auditors, and human AI collaboration managers are emerging. 5 years ago, these roles didn't even exist. Just like the internet created jobs we couldn't imagine in the 90s, like app developers, social media managers, and YouTubers, AI will create its own wave of unexpected careers. One thing AI agents cannot truly replicate is being human. They can mimic conversations, generate images, or even act creative, but they don't have genuine emotions, life experiences, or moral responsibility. The human ability to inspire, connect emotionally, and innovate in uncertain situations will always keep us relevant. In fact, the more AI grows, the more society will value human traits like empathy, leadership, and ethical judgment. So, will AI agents replace your job? The honest answer is they will replace your jobs, but they will also transform many others and create entirely new ones. The key is not to run away from the AI, but to run towards it, learn it, and master it. The future belongs to those who know how to work with AI, not against it. Instead of asking, will AI take my job? The better question is, how can I use AI to make myself more valuable? So, if you found this video useful, make sure to hit the like button, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more deep dives into the future of work, technology, and businesses. Let's continue this conversation. Drop your thoughts in the comment section below. Do you think AI agents will replace your job, or will they simply become our digital teammates?